Oh my goodness. It's January 4th, 2024. And this is our first major snow at the Casa de Santa Maria this winter. I thought I would go out and take a quick little trip to Lisa Heiser Event Hall to see how things are going. We just had the heat turned on. And if I can get this gate open, looks like we got a good 5 inches, maybe 6 inches. I know the wind has been blowing. Therefore, it's hard to tell. Here's the garden over there. Can't see Mount Blanca. Still got a lot of snow coming down. They say it's supposed to snow probably another 12 hours, which is okay. So here we are, checking out the event center, Lisa Heiser Hall. And as I'm trudging through the snow, yeah, I gotta be maybe 6-7 inches. Okay. And here we are in the inside. A little bit of an echo. Just last week, all the drywall was added. Feels really, really good in here. We just got the heat turned on. And what the heat is in-floor heating. So the heat is on. It says it's 48 degrees in here, which is good. I've got it set at 55. So it's not quite up to par. I think I'll turn this up to 60 and see what happens. So there you have it. And we'll take off, let's do a little tour. This is the side facing Mount Blanca. This is the side facing the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, which you can't see. And this is the side where our house is, just over here, and that's headed west. This is north, and this is south. We'll walk in here, and this will be our kitchen when it gets done. And we put a little storage room. Hard to see in here, and I hope this turns out all right. But here's a little storage room. And it will also be where a washer dryer goes, and there'll be a freezer here. We'll be able to put canned foods and things like that, but this will be just sort of like a little pantry kind of area for the kitchen. And then over here we have 2 doors that will open up to the outdoors so that you can come and get your food, and we hope to have someday when we find the funds to build a little deck out here, and you can sit out and look at the beautiful mountains and the scenery. And of course, the sagebrush. And hopefully it's not snowing. So let's head back out here to the main room. This is a 40 by 40 room. I suspect it would hold probably, a good 60, 70 people in a pinch. This will be where we will be doing retreats and workshops and that kind of thing. And this will be the main wall. We're going to paint this white, and I think we'll put an altar to the Divine Mother, Mother Mary. Who knows what we'll do? That'll be revealed in good time. So let's head over here to this other door, and this is where our bathrooms are that are being built out. And so we're going to have 3 bathrooms, and this is for people that maybe want to camp on the land. We'll have showers and for them to use, and it'll be heated in here. Here as well as another regular bathroom, and then we built in an ADA bathroom. And this one happens to have a window. So we're gonna go out here. If I can get the door open, a little frozen, and this is the back. This is facing south. Again, we got snow going. I like how the wind has created this little pathway around the building. That's kind of cool. Again, the snow's coming down. And this will be where our septic tank goes. If you see those two little holes there, they had to dig them to test the soil to make sure that our septic tank is okay going there. So this is our mechanical room. This is what I came out to check. Ooh, lots of snow here. Don't want all that going in there, but I just wanted to come in and check our new boiler system. And this is our mechanical room. Oops, I just closed the door and I don't have a light in here yet. This is what our boiler system looks like. And we just had this opening put to reach the attic in yesterday. So this is our whole boiler system, which is the in-floor heating, and there's pipes all through these floors that are heating the slab. And this will be our pressure tank, which will be for the showers. And then this also is like our hot water heater as well. And so this does our hot water heating. So this is our mechanical room and what it looks like. So pretty cool. So seems to be things are working. I was kind of surprised that the heat in there was only 48 when I have the heating system set at 55, and I guess I'm going to need to get this door adjusted. And excuse all the mess. This will be our electrical panel. He'll have to come back and fit all these things once we get the mudding, taping, and painting done, and fix our outlets and get them working as well. A lot of dust to clean up, but the mud and tapers will come back and do that. They were able to put all this drywall in 2 days. There was a crew of 4 guys, so we left them a little snack after they left to thank them. And so I've got this turned up back a little bit, and I'll come back in a little while to see if the temperature raises in here just a little bit. So hopefully you can see that, 48 degrees. So just wanted to share this with you, where we are, and I'll head back in and through the snow, and we have a teleseminar here coming up at noon. So I have to go get ready for that, but hope you guys are having a lovely day, and we'll see how deep the snow gets. Bye.